Magandang hapon po ng Friday, January 17, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, January 17, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 17, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, January 17, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for January 17, 2025, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, January 17, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.